Today's video was supposed to be about the first week of school. Well, I guess it is still about the first week of school. We're going to discuss the ups and downs of the first week of school. Some things that were easy, some things that were harder than that we expected. One of the things that I found that was harder than expected, which I'm still dealing with right now, is just accessing the actual website to do the schoolwork. You can see right now it's down. I've got all three browsers here, cleaning the cache, resetting them. I even used another computer. You can't see off the screen here. I have a Windows machine and I tried all three browsers on there. I can't get in to the site. So this is a common theme with school for the first week. So this is one of the problems with that I've been having the first week. The things I found a little bit easier than I expected was actually doing the code. When I followed along with the video, I was surprised how easy the code worked. So here's the Hello World app. I followed the other videos and they worked well too. So I was surprised that it was easier for me than I expected. How does this activity build upon what I've learned? Well, back in Mobile Media Design 2, we made some apps for airline company. I can see how the code could affect the app. Depending on who I picked here, would then develop whichever kind of QR code was going to be here. If there was if it wasn't a pass for Adam Curry, if it was a pass for John C. Dvorak, the QR code would look different. So I can see how our work now relates to what we've done in the past. This lesson is going to help me in future activities because knowing how to use code will help write better apps. I know there's ways to write apps without knowing how to code, but in the past I know Apple has discouraged that. Even for a little while they actually made it so that you couldn't use other other tools. So getting back to it, I think that just knowing how to code, knowing the basics of it, is going to lay down the fundamentals that are needed when you're going to write apps. In this video we talked about the first week. In the first week we talked about accessing the school website, difficulties with that, some of the videos, how it was easy to follow along and get some of the results that the instructor was trying to show. We also talked about how the activity builds upon previous activities and showed how some of these lessons can help us in the future, or at least me in the future.